Hi, welcome to the video. I'm Jen. I recently started remaking my old recipe video by adding voiceover on them, so it's easier to follow instructions. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Taiwanese pickled cabbage and vegetables are usually paired with stinky tofu, which is very hard to find in North America for some reason. But these sour and spicy pickled vegetables is great as a meal starter. What we'll need is half a cabbage, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 small carrot, 3 to 5 cloves of garlic, 2 red peppers. If you like way more spicy taste, go ahead and put more red peppers. 150 grams of sugar, 20 milliliter honey, 150 milliliter rice vinegar, and lastly, 300 milliliter of water. We'll be first cutting the cabbage into bite size. Remember, they will shrink a bit after it's pickled. Then we'll lay 1 layer of cabbage, sprinkle some salt, then another layer of cabbage on top, and salt again. Repeat until all the cabbage and salt are used up. Because salt will make veggies release water, kind of like sweating, but without the heat. I'm not sure if there's a technical name for it, but anyway, we will leave the salted cabbage as is for 30 minutes. During this time, let's go ahead and mince our garlic and red pepper. Then set them aside until we need them. I forgot to film myself cutting the carrot into small strips, so we'll go ahead and do that right now. Then we'll prepare the marinating sauce by adding rice vinegar, sugar, honey, and water into small cooking pot. Bring to boil, then leave it to cool down. When the 30 minutes is up, wash our cabbages and drain them. Put the cabbages into our mason jars or any airtight containers that we have. Now put the rest of the ingredients into the jar or containers. That includes carrots, garlic, red pepper, and the sauce. The last step is just to seal these baby up and leave them in the fridge for a couple of days and flip them or shake them a bit here and there to make sure everything is marinated. After a couple of days, drain the excess sauce inside the container to ensure our vegetables stays crisp. And then we can just take out whatever amount we want to eat for each meal and leave the rest to pickle even more. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell so you don't miss any easy but delicious recipes. See you soon. Bye!